So today I'm going to show you how to make 2 easy and colorful journal covers. So start by getting yourself some pretty scraps of fabric, and then get yourself a blank journal. So take whichever fabric you want to use for the main part of the journal and make a cut on either end of it, so it's about a ½ inch bigger than the journal, and then just cut where you made those initial cuts so that you have a rectangle. Run a little bit of glue across one edge of it on the inside, and then you're just going to tuck that glue on the inside of the cover, and then put some more glue along the main part of the journal. Press the fabric into place, and then you'll do the same thing with the edges, folding them under. So once you get everything glued in place, it should be nice and tight. You'll do the same thing on the back side. And then you'll take some more fabric to use for the spine. I'm using a little peacock material here. You want it to be a little bit bigger than the spine. You'll just glue the edges under to make it the same height as the spine. And then you just put a little bit of glue along the edge, and you'll fold the edge under and lay that in the glue so you get a nice rounded edge, so there's no raw edges showing. And then you'll flip it over and do the same thing on the other side. Just run a little bit of glue along the edge, fold the edge of the peacock fabric under, whatever fabric you're using, and then just hold it in place until it's dry. So you can see that the fabric does not cover up the bottom of the book on the spine, so that you'll still be able to open and close it easily. So for the second one, this one actually had a cover, but it was kind of beat up and had stickers on it and stuff. So you just want to take some white paper, or cardstock even would work as well, and you want to cut it so it's a ½ inch bigger than the cover. Put a little bit of glue along one edge and tuck that into the cover, then just fold it around the cover, and then glue that in place around the cover, and tuck the edges under on the inside as well. Should have a nice plain white cover to start with. So then get yourself some printed duct tape. I'm using some Galaxy duct tape here, and you want to cut it off in a bunch of little triangles. You don't necessarily need them to be the same size either, just a bunch of little triangle pieces. And then you'll put all the triangle pieces just kind of haphazardly every which way on the top of the journal cover. You want to leave white space in between them. Just put them different directions. It's supposed to kind of look like stained glass. You just go until you have the white covered, just like that. And then you'll get yourself another piece of duct tape, the same height as the book. Just cut it off, and you're going to use it as the spine. So just run it so it's covering up, just barely covers the white where the white paper starts, and then just fold it around. You got yourself your little spine to match the rest of your stained glass pieces of your journal.
Dear Diary, today I was pompous and my sister was crazy. Then we was kidnapped by hill folks, never to hear from again. It was the best day